Now let's proceed to the second topic, which is the basic of electronics, current and resistance. This is still from the educational engineering team. Now just a short recap from our previous lesson. So basically electronics, earlier it is a field of science in which we study about electric currents generated due to the movement of electric charges. A circuit is made of electronic components and wires is known as a non-electronic circuit. Voltage is the force that a power source creates at its two ends. This force makes the charge flow around the circuit. Then battery is the power source of the circuit which provides voltage. Then we've measured the voltage using a device known as a voltmeter. Then polarity is the property of having two poles that have opposite physical properties, which is positive and negative. Then we also discuss about pump water system, right? As well as electric circuits, which is a piece of rubber pipe full of water placed on a table with both of its ends glued together, forming a closed loop. Now this is how I actually imagined electric circuits. And now we will encounter a new term, which is current. So current is actually due to the pressure of the pump. Water continuously flows in the pipe. Now imagine a point on our pipe and try to measure the amount of water flowing through it. Suppose 1 liter of water passes through the point in 1 second, then the rate of flow of water will be 1 liter per second. Now similarly, the rate of flow of charge is defined as current. Now charge flows from positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal. Hence, current also flows from positive, higher potential, to negative, lower potential. Then current is measured in amperes. More voltage equals to more current. In pump water system, if we increase the pump power, water will flow through the pipe at a faster rate. Now similar thing happens in electricity. More the voltage, more the current. Now we have conductors. Conductors here wherein charges moves through material, and that is why we get electricity. But not all material allows this free flow of charge. In inductors, there are a lot of free charges. Example would be charges that can move easily whenever we connect a power source. A wire is also considered as a conductor. That is why charges easily flow through it. Conductors are actually important in the field of electronics. Electrical conductors allows again electric current to flow easily because of their make-up atoms. In a conductor, the outer electrons of the atom are loosely bound and can freely move through the material when an electric charge is being applied. Conductors are also elements that conduct heat quickly and also can cool things quickly, such as in wire coil in the back of the refrigerator. Then we have resistance here. Resistance is the property of any material that to resist the flow of charge is called as resistance. More the resistance, slower the flow of charge, meaning lesser the current. Resistance is measured in ohms. So earlier we have conductor measured in amperes. Now we have resistance measured in ohms. Resistors is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a electrical element. So basically, the main role of resistance in electricity, property of an electric circuit or part of a circuit that transforms electric energy into heat energy in opposing to electric current. So that's basically the main role of resistance or resistors. Measuring resistance of a resistor. First band, here you can see the red band, that means 2. Now the second band here, still red, that means 2. Multiplier, this one, the brown one, the brown band, this means 10. Now hence by the calculation it is by 22 times 10 is equivalent to 220 ohms. Now the tolerance band is this gold, and that means that there is 5% positive variation in the value. Now I want you to do it for all other resistors in the kit that I will be sending you.